Today we are presenting you a very healthy jackfruit cake which has no sugar, no maida. Welcome back to Mom and Me Bombs. This recipe is very simple and easy to prepare. Jackfruit cake is really yummy. Each bite of this cake is a little piece of heaven. It is delicious by itself. In Kerala, Varikachaka and Kura are the two predominant varieties of jackfruit. Varika has slightly hard inner flesh when ripe, while the inner flesh of the ripe Kura fruit is very soft and almost dissolving. Here are the ingredients. Here we are using Varikachaka. Please note, we have reduced the video duration by editing the speed here and there. To start with, we have to caramelize little sugar. To caramelize is to slowly cook a food until it turns sweet, nutty and brown. This is simply a mixture of sugar and water cooked until it becomes syrupy and darkens and reaching a temperature from 340 to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now at this point you have to add little water, and when adding water please be careful because it is hot. Once it turns this color, we have to keep this aside to cool. Though caramelizing sugar is very simple, please be careful. Next, add the jackfruit pieces to a medium-sized jar of your mixer and grind it well to get a puree like this. Grind almond, walnut and cashew nut with little sugar. Next, take cloves and cinnamon and grind it. Here is jaggery, which is grated, 2 cups. Sift 3 cups of wheat flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, little salt and half teaspoon baking soda. Wheat flour is more healthier than all-purpose flour. To start with, you can use a blender also. Now, take 4 eggs and beat it well. Add the powdered nuts. Vanilla essence 2 teaspoons. Powdered cloves and cinnamon. Add jaggery little by little. This jaggery has to be grated. Since the caramelized sugar has become hard, we have to add little water and make it hot till it is a bit loose. Now it's ready. Add this into the batter. Half cup cooking oil. Now add the jackfruit puree and mix until just incorporated using a spatula. Start adding the flour mixture little by little and combine in a folding method as you can see here. After making sure it's combined, transfer this to a pan which is lined with parchment paper or ghee. To know how to line a pan with ghee, you can watch the link given below in the description box. You can use an 8-inch or 9-inch pan. Now, tap to remove the air bubbles. Bake this in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 30 to 40 minutes or until the top turns a golden brown and a toothpick inserted into the center of the cake comes out clean. Remove your delicious jackfruit cake from the oven. See? After cooling, transfer this to a tray and garnish it according to your taste. It's very nice and mouth-watering. Aroma won't allow you to wait for a long time, but allow the cake to cool completely for 15 minutes before cutting and serving it. Here we garnish the cake with little powdered sugar. It will give it a better taste. Please do drop in your comments. It is valuable for us. And if you liked our video, please do hit the like button and share this with your friends and family. Look at the texture. This will tempt you. For more, please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.